We've all heard the messages over and over again about physical distancing, but there's something about getting out on the water and having a good time where people either forget or disregard these sorts of things. Kelowna made province-wide news recently around the time of the Canada Day outbreak.
Looking at social media posts like these, you'd never know we're in the midst of a pandemic.
When I say f, you say COVID. COVID! COVID!
Where it started out on the water and continuing once they got ashore. So the City of Kelowna is deploying a team this week to remind people about physical distancing because the alternative could be a lot worse.
The team that you're referring to is our Safety and Education Ambassador team, so our C team. Not that it's any lesser than the A team or the B team, it's just that the acronym happens to spell SEA for C. Okay. And they will definitely be working closely beside the waterfront here at the City of Kelowna and throughout our parks, Linear Park, Reno Park, sports fields, and just providing an extra layer of education and awareness building. They'll have some materials, safely sanitized of course, to pass out to people, and just be out there when people are out enjoying the natural amenities we have here in Kelowna, the summertime, and reminding them about the importance of social distancing, frequent hand washing, and keeping their groups small.
Yeah, you mentioned reminding because a lot of these messages, we've heard them all before, but people just forget, don't they?
They do, and that's why we actually think a team like this is going to be very effective. As people are out enjoying themselves, having a good time, sometimes they forget those new rules that are part of the new normal now. And that's okay sometimes, as long as people are trying to do their best to be respectful. And we think by getting out there and reminding people, we can effectively just sort of bring them back into line when maybe, throughout the day, the heat of the sun, things have slipped a little bit. If we continue to see cases here in the interior and throughout BC rise, or potentially, in a few months down the road in terms of a second wave, and things aren't as positive as they are now, and they continue to deteriorate, we're going to have to take extra steps. There's going to have to be closures of different types of public spaces, and it's going to be up to the provincial health officer, to decide what else happens. But certainly, I think we could see, a closing down and a reducing about the number of businesses that are open and the amount of activity in our economy.
So it's worthwhile then, to bring back a few employees and just get out there and do what you can to remind people.
Absolutely, by having some staff out there on a daily basis, just continue to remind people of those things. Absolutely, they already know, but they just need a little extra, prompt to, remind them how important it is. We think we can continue to have a safe summer here in the Okanagan, and people, both those people who live here and those people who do come to visit Kelowna, can really enjoy their time here.